The wind! This storm is getting worse. I need shelter before night hits. This tree is strong and I can build a safe platform up there. First, I need wood and a solid base. No mistakes out here. If I want to survive tonight, I have to move fast. These logs will be the base, strong enough to hold my weight. Up here, the wind is stronger. I have to be careful. This has to hold. If it breaks, I'm done. Two beams, now I can start the floor. If I can finish this floor, I'll be off the frozen ground. It's holding, but I need to reinforce it before it gets dark. Cross bracing, this will stop it from shifting in the wind. Next, I need walls. The wind will kill me if I stay exposed. Everything has to come up one bundle at a time. If I stack these tight, it'll block the wind like a natural wall. No gaps, the wind will find every weak spot. Higher walls, more protection. I can't let the storm inside. I need a small entrance, too big and I'll lose all the heat. A roof frame, once it's covered, the storm won't touch me. Layer after layer, the thicker it is, the warmer it'll be. It's not perfect, but it's already better than the open storm. I need something between me and the frozen floor, or I won't last. Whew. Light finally. Now I can actually work inside. Every crack is dangerous, but I need to seal this tight. If I'm gonna warm up, I need a safe spot first. I saved dry wood for this. Without it, fire is impossible in a blizzard. Oh, come on, just a small flame. That's all I need. Finally, whew, warmth. I might actually survive this night. Oh, the wind! It's getting stronger. I hope this roof holds. No, not now. I have to seal it before it tears open. Hold, just hold. One more support can save everything. That was close, Bo. I can't afford another mistake.
Food won't fix everything, but it keeps my body working.
Water is life. Whew. Even out here, I can't ignore it. Did you hear that? Something's out there. Water is life. Whew. Even out here, I can't ignore it.
I'm not alone, I need to stay quiet.
I can't fight anything right now, I just need to stay hidden. Stay calm. Don't move. Don't make a sound.
Go. Just go. Please.
Okay, it's gone. I'm still alive. If I make it to morning, I'll need a real plan to stay alive. Just a few hours. I need sleep, or I won't last tomorrow.
Please, let the storm pass by morning.
Morning. I made it. Now I need to secure everything. My hands still moving. That's good. I can't lose them out here. It's calmer, but the snow is deeper. Getting down will be risky. Slow, steady, one slip, and it's over. Wow, this is deeper than I thought. Moving will take twice the energy.
If the storm comes back, I'll need more firewood ready.
This is heavy, but I'll thank myself later. A better door means less wind and less chance of anything getting in. One more layer, the thicker the walls, the safer I am. It's not luxury, but it's shelter. And today, that's everything. Out here, shelter is survival. And I'm still standing. If you want to see what happens next, stay with me.